In this video, I will show you how to copy different multiple rows and paste them at once. So guys, if you need to copy and paste selected rows in Microsoft Excel, so you can use this trick or this method. Click on this clipboard symbol. Clear all. Now select any row, like I need this number 14 rows. Select it now, Control C. Scroll down. Select any another row like this one, number 23. Select it and Control C. Now number 5. Select and Control C. So now we have 3 rows from different areas. Now click on this plus icon for new sheet. Now select like here any column like A where you want to paste these all rows. Then paste all. So as we can see, we have multiple rows and copied rows from different areas in just one click. So guys, if you think this video is useful, so subscribe this channel.